The Poco F7 Pro and F7 Ultra are already out, and they're currently waiting on the third sibling to join them in the brand's roster. The Poco F7 is definitely coming soon. Poco F7 surfaces on FCC with live image, hints at global launch. And this is the first look. Poco F7 boasts a 6.83-inch OLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate. It also has a 1.5K resolution, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and an IR blaster. The Poco F7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset, with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Run Android 15 with Xiaomi's HyperOS on top. The device is equipped with a dual-camera array. It includes a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS) and an 8MP ultra-wide lens. Additionally, it sports a 20MP front-facing camera. Other notable features include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and a 6,550 mAh battery with support for 90W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.